We have this saying at the factory, iga millimeter loeb, which means every millimeter counts. Is it in production or in design or service, every millimeter matters.
I can explain almost every square centimeter, every millimeter of small microns. It's important in the sound, of course.
Currently, Estelon has 11 models in our product range. It starts with our latest model, Estelon Aura, and the line ends with the Estelon Extreme, our flagship speakers. They're all handmade here in Estelon factory, located in Tallinn, Estonia.
Aura is our last product, where we concentrate all our knowledge from all previous models.
The idea was to have something nice and slim that you can put in your living room that will be like a statue or a sculpture, but at the same time provide you with extraordinary listening experience.
We use a little different decision for the bass. It's all bottom surface, it's one woofer. We found that we need to make 2 steps for air moving, what's coming from the driver.
The woofer is hidden in this cabinet, you can't really see it, so aesthetically it looks more clean. For smaller spaces it's actually better for the woofer to be facing the floor. So using all the extra gaps that we have designed there, it creates more powerful bass.
For this speaker, we use double mid-range woofers. The purpose was to have enough sensitivity level and enough power, because for this slim front panel only this small mid-range is not enough to reproduce quite good level of the sound, and we put 2. It means that we have better sensitivity level and much bigger power for the speaker.
The Aura cabinets are thermoformed from composite material, very stiff and strong, so it's very good for the sound, but also it's very good material for creating the shape that we need. Estelon Aura comes in white as a standard, and it's actually a material that is white, it's not painted. Now they are available in high gloss painted finishes. At the other extreme is the Extreme, our flagship speaker. When it came to designing that, our main motto was, it has to be extraordinary, something that is not available in the market yet. The Extreme is composed of 2 different models, upper model, lower model. I think it's still the only speaker today that you can adjust this way. It was a very complicated designing process because it has to take into account all the different aspects, like while changing the height, that it actually goes around the listening point, not just up and down and so on and so on. I mean, Alfred can speak for hours about that.
Extreme, it's our flagship speaker. One time we started singing about this speaker for bigger room. I started thinking, what is the difference between ordinary apartment rooms and then bigger rooms? It was clear that it's not only height or deep of the room, but it's ceiling. How high this ceiling? What time coming these reflections from the ceiling? Big speaker, it's higher positioning of the driver. It's more sensitive for reflections from the ceiling. It was problem to create this design or construction of the Extreme cabinet that changing the height, not change dramatically acoustical situation. If I put only up and down, change this height, the focus move also up and down. We decide to make this moving speaker that in 4-5 meters from the listening points, no change nothing. It means that upper corpus move around the curve. It's very important for no change this focus. We put 2 11-inch woofers. We decide to use this symmetrical design or make the exactly same acoustical loading for each driver, inside and outside. This angle positioning also make this more effective to create this spherical wave in a little higher frequencies. These drivers, it's woofers with aluminum honeycomb membranes. It's with very big voice coil and magnets. It's make this bass reproduction very stable. We use the same ideology mid-woofer. We use ceramic mid-range. It's a quite big surface, 160 centimeters, with a very big diameter voice coil. It's make this energy reproduction from voice coil to the membrane very stable. After many tests, measuring and ideas, we has this sound what we wait from this mid-range. And 1H diamond tweeter, I think it's now one of the best tweeter what possible to have.
There was no limitation price-wise or technologically, because we wanted to develop the speaker around the idea and then develop the necessary technologies, find the necessary components afterwards.
It's not only technical, but this is emotions also. This is understanding of the music. We are happy that we can make some better and better and better. What is the Estalon sound? It's the music. It's the feeling.